welcome everybody. Today this is a space video of how would you die on each planet. So, here is the solar system, a tiny scale. What do you think is your favorite planet? Comment down below. So, firstly, Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun and the smallest planet of our solar system. Mercury is hot at least at day, while being cold at night. So, so, so how you would die on Mercury is where at hot you will burn like toast, just like this. For example, this is Mercury's surface. You would burn on Mercury. Even if you don't have any suit, you will still burn. Well, now at cold Mercury, it will be ice. This is the night at Mercury. Mercury's night will reach at 430 degrees Celsius, where you start at Mercury at night. You would feel at the night where you have to freeze yourself until you'll be killed. Next planet is planet Venus. Venus is the second planet from our very own big sun, which is the same size as Earth, or known as Earth's evil twin. Venus is actually basically hell, just because everything is hot in there. So let's see how you will die on Venus. So pretend this is the world of Venus. There's lava at its own surface. So here you have to sink down to the lava and on Venus's big volcanoes. It reached to 1 million degrees Celsius. Well, this is look like Earth, but instead of water, it is lava. Instead of grass, hot things, and instead of the blue sky, yellow skies. Just because of the atmosphere is basically thick. So let's. There's no ammo. So, time for the next planet, Mars. So in this solar system, Mars is the richest planet from our sun. Instead of Earth having one moon, Mars has two. There's ammo. That's not. So let's continue. Mars is the redest planet from our sun. Instead of Earth having one moon, Mars has basically two. So let's see how you will be killed on Mars. Mars has the biggest mountain called Olympus Mons, and also the biggest canyon of planet Mars, Valles Marineris. Mars is almost at the distance of Jupiter, making it super cold inside. You will be stuck there being cold for a while, and after for a while, 2 seconds you will be killed. Actually. So it's time for the gas giants. Move at the right side. So here are the big giant planets to scale, not to scale. Distances, not to scale too. So let's start at Jupiter. So Jupiter is the biggest planet at the solar system. Jupiter has its big white spot, making it super difficult to go on it. Jupiter has wild storms spinning around. So firstly, if you go to planet Jupiter to its spot, you will think of storms that will lightning through you. You will fly through the storm and wait for yourself to be killed. So Jupiter is the farthest planet of our rock in our inner solar system. So that's why Jupiter is the coldest planet in our solar system than Neptune. So it's time for the next planet. It's basically your favorite planet, Saturn. Okay, so a lot of people know about planet Saturn. Saturn is the sixth planet about the sun. Saturn is basically the the famous and popular planet because everyone keeps talking about its rings. Well, everyone didn't know the formation of the rings yet, so I'll say at the end. And thank you for 700 subscribers. I'm already reaching to 705. So please subscribe for more videos. So on to the story. So Saturn is look like Jupiter. Saturn has big storms around, making it super difficult to survive, and you only get killed in 1 second. That is quick. Well, if I didn't add Saturn's rings to have you killed, so be to be killed on Saturn's rings, dodge the asteroids or you get killed. Also, and also wear your astronaut suits if you want to go to all the planets. So next one, go to the next box called Uranus. A lot about Uranus is where Uranus is the coldest planet in our solar system and actually smell like fart. Yeah. Did you smell Uranus? Well, actually, Voyager 1 didn't took a first close-up to Uranus. So, Voyager 2, please make a picture about Uranus. So, Uranus is the coldest planet in our solar system. It also has rings, but it's already invisible. Also, Uranus is the same color as Neptune, Neptune being a cyan. So let's see how you can die on Uranus. So just like Saturn and Jupiter, you will get massive storms on Uranus, but it's a little bit different. Raining diamonds. Of course, if you want to get raining diamonds, you have to get a bucket before it lands on your head. So the storms from Uranus will make you have blood, making you having some big trouble. And the diamonds will actually rain on the storms on Uranus. So don't visit Uranus. So lastly is the planet Neptune. Of course, you basically know about Neptune. Neptune is the furthest planet in our solar system, making it so difficult to see. Well, actually, Voyager 1 already took a photo about Neptune. Thank you. So, Neptune is the coldest planet in our solar system, making it strong winds, lightning to the sky. So, at Neptune, it is also the same weather as Uranus, raining diamonds. So, you better get diamonds again until it falls on your head too. So if you like me to having how to die on your planets, hit like and subscribe. And also if you enjoy this channel, hit like and subscribe for more videos and more channels. See you next time. Bye. And also get free diamonds.